G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Kendall Forge. We have a awesome episode this time. We're going to Echuca over in Victoria. We're going to do some learning at a mate's forge. It's going to be very interesting. We're going to be learning how to make some tools, punches, stuff like that. It's going to be awesome. So I hope you can come along the journey with me and have some fun. Let's go.
Fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here.
G'day, I'm Marty Veenstra. How you going? Here you go. That's how you start a rifle. Rose stem.
Yep.
Little leaf, alright? Now see that, half inch?
Yep.
Drawn down both hands.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Feet look on an angle, on an axis. You have a rounding hammer.
No, I don't. Yeah.
That's
what I want to make through.
Alright, you're good with it. Now, what?
Could you achieve the same thing with a ball paint?
You can achieve the same thing with that.
Okay.
Now, stem line down the centre of it.
Yep. Now, do you prefer to start from the base and work out to the tip, or
Yep.
would it be done the other way, or?
I prefer to do it at the base and work out to the tip.
Oh.
Right, now you saw a straight feet on that angle, right?
Yep.
Watch.
Go across paint to the other side.
Without changing position. There's your texture on your leaf.
Good. Good.
where you hit it right here.
Yeah.
Alright?
Oh, you're small.
It's a bit nicer in here today. Now you can draw it out by hand and you've got most of it done.
I wasn't either. I've never felt so blue tired in my life yet.
Ollie, Mike, Mike.
Stop.
Oliver.
Oliver.
Oh,
Good
sorry.
man. Nah, you're all right,
This
mate.
is JJ.
Good day, mate.
Now Oliver's the man to speak to about the slab of wood.
Hey?
Start back up here.
Too easy.
So it's going to be a bit higher.
Yeah. Yeah, well, we
Work your way down.
Marty and work it out. I'll work the suit.
Alright, so it's all nice and square all the way around.
Already done one with the slide.
Just draw that bit down.
Yeah.
How far off am I coming?
So tools
Hey?
of mine, sort of mine.
Just come up to there
Yeah. It's generally the way, isn't it?
Yeah.
and just draw it down. You'll find it'll be
Thanks a lot, mate. I'll
about that long.
work through Marty when
You
I
want to
get
just
back.
thin it down here mainly
Sounds
first
good,
and then
mate.
bring it along. Oh, when you get the wrong ones, you don't know that. Oh, this is very right.
Give me the 20 end of the spear. Yeah. Yeah, no, whenever you just give us a ring, whenever you want to buy it, mate, just do it, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
You notice how I'm swinging the hammer?
Using your finger to finish to blow off, but you're only coming up here instead of up here.
Alright, I'm using this technique. Have you ever noticed how much that metal's moving when I hit it compared to when you hit it?
Yeah.
Now how much effort am I using compared to you? Right, half the effort.
Yeah.
So I'm swinging the hammer like that. Alright? And I'm letting the hammer do the work. By doing that, now you watch my arm. Watch it. There's my arm being shocked. Now I'm only going soft, and I'm still moving through the metal. Alright, now, watch this. Is my arm being shocked? Is the job jumping? Yeah. Right, so I'm trying to force down with the hammer. So if I do that,
Clicking that.
I'm going to end up tearing all the attachments up here in your shoulder. So, flick it. You don't have to come up and drive down like this. Flick it like that. Just that motion there will give you as much power as going like that. Alright? So, do my little finger, see that? Big callus on there, here you go. That big callus right there on the finger, that's because I flick like this. Like that. Close my hand to get that movement of the hammer. So we use what we call the OK grip. Alright, so it's OK like that. Hold it between the thumb and the first two fingers, and then close the hand and use the wrist and the hand like that. Now at any stage of the blow, alright, now I'll do this slowly, JJ, take the hammer out of my hand. At any stage of the blow, you can take that hammer out of my hand. Go on. That's how tight you hold the hammer. If you grip it tight, you're going to hurt yourself. So loose. Alright, so try that. Yeah, look at how much better that's moving.
Beautiful, mate.
Hey? Yeah, right. You want to make a draw out faster? Yes? No?
Yeah.
Right. Put that away.
I was using that
Heat it
because
up.
the handle's bloody small.
Come down. Follow it here, 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 here.
Yeah.
On two sides. Then hammer on those fullers and it'll draw out longer quicker.
The workshop today, what are we learning?
These gentlemen here, my father and my telling me wood turning.
Wood turning, yeah.
JJ's making the hammer drift as well.
Once every year, and
That's great up there. That's what it is.
it's just like doing business, you know.
Yeah. JJ's coming to a little bit difficulty here. Right. Because things aren't set up correctly for his height. The angle is not quite at his height. So what he's ended up doing is he ended up putting a little bit of a spiral in the middle. Right. Because it's set at my height, it's not out correct. I'm going to help it on the shore.
There's no ergonomics in the era
Oh,
back
is that
there.
right way in short?
Oh, stuff like ducks deserve.
Yeah. Squared that up a lot more now. For his next trick, he's going to hammer this circular.
You can't make this stuff at all.
How do you think I'm getting the untwisted? Getting it untwisted. Right? Dip to the end. That's all.
When you start off, you still got the thing on the back. When you start off, good piece of wood, take them off.
Hey Ollie, it's alright if we put that sort of heat gun down there for him to stand on, is it? I'm not that heavy, it's all good.
Have a I just put it in the lathe and turn it.
Not everyone has a lady.
Yeah, you can see that.
So that's the end of day one. See Marty over there, all happy. And this is my new happy zone. Look at that forge. Look at it. It's massive. It's an old railway forge. We'll explain that tomorrow. So, till then, see you tomorrow.